Today I am reviewing the AKIRES 8979CFM Portable Swamp Cooler Air Conditioner. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The AKIRES 8979CFM Portable Swamp Cooler Air Conditioner is a powerful, versatile, and energy-efficient cooling solution designed for anyone looking to beat the heat in large indoor or outdoor spaces without the hassle, cost, or restrictions of traditional air conditioning systems. With an impressive 8,979 cubic feet per minute airflow capacity, this evaporative air cooler can efficiently cover spaces up to 1,730 square feet, making it an ideal choice for patios, workshops, garages, warehouses, large living areas, or even outdoor events. Thanks to its wide 120-degree oscillation, the cooling effect is evenly distributed across the space, ensuring no corner is left untouched. While it excels in hot, dry climates, where evaporative cooling works at its peak, it still outperforms standard fans in more humid environments by circulating cooler, fresher air. This is not just a simple fan. It's a 3-in-1 cooling system that lets you choose between fan-only mode for light breezes, water-based cooling for a refreshing drop in temperature, or the ice pack function for an extra chill on the hottest days. The triple air intake panels maximize evaporation, and a high-power motor ensures strong, consistent airflow that keeps you comfortable even in sweltering conditions. One of its standout features is the massive 36-gallon water tank, which allows for an incredibly long, continuous runtime of between 25 and 50 hours before needing a refill. That means you can run it through multiple days or nights without interruptions. To boost efficiency, it incorporates a 4-in-1 composite ice curtain that not only enhances cooling power, but also filters out impurities, giving you cleaner, fresher air to breathe. Refilling is simple and flexible, with both manual and continuous autofill options available. The built-in float mechanism automatically regulates water levels when connected to a hose for hands-free operation, while the convenient bottom drain makes maintenance quick and easy. This thoughtful design ensures that the cooler stays at peak performance with minimal effort from you. Another major advantage over traditional AC units is how easy and cost-effective the AKIRES Swamp Cooler is to use. There's no need for complex installations, window mounting, or special drainage systems, and it operates at a fraction of the energy cost of conventional air conditioners. This makes it an excellent choice for people who want to stay cool without spiking their electricity bills. Mobility is effortless thanks to 4 360-degree wheels, including 2 with locking brakes for secure placement. You can easily roll it from your garage to your patio or from your living room to your workshop, giving you cooling exactly where you need it when you need it. It's quiet enough for comfortable conversation or relaxation, yet powerful enough to bring rapid relief from intense heat. Whether you're hosting an outdoor party, working in a hot warehouse, or just trying to stay comfortable at home during a summer heat wave, the AKIRES 8979CFM Portable Swamp Cooler Air Conditioner offers a perfect combination of performance, convenience, and efficiency. It delivers the kind of cooling freedom that traditional AC units can't match, giving you both flexibility and savings while keeping your space comfortable even on the hottest days.